Hello everyone, in this video I will explain our main idea about the installation of this machine. Since we have a problem with the width of the main supporting frame, we cannot install the machine mounted like this because the cutting line has a substantial support that is in the way, which means that this dimension from here to here is too wide regardless of the height. So our idea is basically to remove the beam, this one, this one, this one, and the one on the other side, which will be installed first on the support structure. Then we will have the rest of the machine, which is supported on this much more narrow frame. We will build a support structure for it to position it and then use it for transportation to the warming chamber. For this I will need to disconnect these sliding bearings here too. There are two more here, one, two, these bearings here, and this one. My main question is, do you think the rest of the machine, when we support it on the smaller frame, will be well balanced, or we will need to make a much wider support? And do you have any issue with our idea to dismount? This is a trial video, so I'm sorry about the quality. We're kind of doing the things as we go, so in the future we will try to do a better job. Thank you.